Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Oppo A17. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find the app called Notify Buddy. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now move to the next step and grant read permissions for the app. Last is battery optimization, which you might need to disable unless the app works fine, and then just leave it as it is. Now let's proceed to the next step, accept, and right here we can start using this app. There's 4 tabs: user, system, active and settings. In user you can select any apps for a custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can find all apps that are bound to your Android system. In active there's all apps that you just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. Now to check it out, let's click on the test, and here's our LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.